Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about point of sales entry in Tally. Select voucher types from Accounts Info. Create a new voucher type naming POS. Select voucher type as sales and write POS in abbreviation. Write yes to print sales invoice directly after saving. Write POS message to print on invoice. Now create sales invoice and select voucher type as POS. Select default sales account and do a entry. When we select any stock, default quantity and rate will come automatically as it is POS invoice. We can also change it from configuration. Select no to skip quantity during POS invoicing. Check yes to allow modification of rate field during POS invoicing. Now we can change default quantity and rate of the item. Select tax ledger and tax will calculate automatically. There are different options for payment in POS option. We can select payment by debit card, credit card, cash or bank. Select bank from list to take payment by credit or debit card. We can write card number and amount for selected card. We can also write check details by selecting check and bank. If the amount is remaining, then we can write it in cash. There is the option of cash tendered. In this we can write the cash amount which we have taken from customer. save the voucher and print option will come. In print preview, all the details will come which we have write while creating invoice. Payment details will also print with all the bank and card number. We can check POS vouchers in POS register in display menu. Report with voucher details and payment details will come in POS register. In this way, we can create POS entry in Tally for fast billing. You can also import all the data of sales and purchase from Excel to Tally by Excel for Tally.com. Search Excel for Tally.com on web. Sign up for free to import data from Excel to Tally. Call us or mail us for any query. Watch our other videos to learn Tally and Excel. Subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on Tally and Excel. Thank you.